Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we're looking at beginning addition with reception. The resources you'll need for today are 1 to 10 number cards, enough for each pair to have 3 cards. 10 large counters, carpet dominoes, wooden or plastic numerals, numbers, paper plates, counting materials in a box, 1 to 6 dice, mental learning objective. Today I will group items visually so I can count them. I can identify numbers that are more than or less than a given number. Mental learning task. Today we are going to play bingo. Give each pair of 3 children 3 number cards. If you have the same number on your card as dots on the screen, you can turn over your card. How many dots can you count? I can see 1. How many dots can you count? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dots now. So you have a 4, turn over your card. How many can we count together now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dots. So if you have a 5, turn over your card. How many do we have now? Let's count together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can count 8 dots. So if you have an 8, turn over your card. This time, how many dots do I have this time? 1, 2. So if you have a number 2, you can turn over your card. This time, how many dots can we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 dots this time. So if you have a 6, turn over your cards. How many dots do we have this time? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 dots this time. So if you have a 9, turn over your card. Oh, some have gone. Let's count this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more, 7. So if you have a 7, you should turn over the 7 card. This time, how many do we have this time? It's easy this time. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 dots. So if you have a number 3, turn over your card. This time we have loads of dots. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 dots this time. So if you have a 10, turn over your card. So everyone should have finished. Today I will group items visually so I can count them. I can identify numbers that are more than or less than a given number. Main learning objective. I can count. I can count on. I can say how many there are all together. Main learning task. Today we're going to use your counting skills to help us answer questions about how many all together. This is the main question people ask when they are doing addition. Today we'll be working in 2 groups. Group 1, younger children will be working with an adult. Group 2, older children will be working with another adult. Group 1, you need the dominoes and some number cards. Sit in a circle. Pick a domino and count the spots on each half. Then count the total using counting on. Pause the video and play the game. Collect a number card that matches that total. Pause the video again and play the game. Group 2. Work in pairs with a paper plate, 1 to 6 dice and some counting materials in a box. Throw the dice. Each put that many objects on the plate. Tell your friend, throw the dice again. Put that number of objects on the plate. How many have you got all together? Pause the video and play the game. Write the number down or find the right number card. Pause the video now and play the game. Start again. Put your objects back. Throw the dice again. A challenge to make it harder. Ask what dice numbers must be thrown if there are 3 things on the plate. What about 6 things? How many for 8 things? Pause the video and play the game. Main learning objective. I can count. I can count on. I can say how many there are all together. Plenary. Children from group 1 show how many spots all together. I'm going to show you an invisible domino. One side it has 1 spot. On the other it has 1 spot. How many spots does it have? On one side it has 1 spot. On the other it has 1 spot. How many spots would my invisible dominoes have altogether? 3, 2, 1, tell me. That's right, it would be 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. There they are. They are now visible. You can see them. I'm going to show you an invisible domino. I want a domino with 8 spots. Draw them in. Pause the video and play the game. Count out 8 objects on a plate. If I have 4 cars, how many more do I need to make 8 cars? Pause the video and work it out. I need 4 more cars. How many do I have now? Count all the cars and see. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I'm always uploading new ideas and resources and lessons and challenges and puzzles, etc. And I would love you to be able to see them all. So I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!